The sand is soft, the water is sparkling, and the vibe is oh so peaceful. Grand Turk has so much more to offer than sand and surf. Let me show you. With a population of approximately 4,000, Grand Turk is the capital of Turks and Caicos, which has more than 40 islands and keys, but only 12 are inhabited. Grand Turk maintains a laid-back island vibe that makes it a beautiful place to unwind. You may be asking yourself, what are some of the most fun things to do here? Well, you can start off at a restaurant with a frozen drink, or you can head off and do some ATV riding, horseback riding, or maybe you just want to lay out in a beautiful cabana by the water. If you're up for a little adventure, trek to the Grand Turk Lighthouse. Sit on the highest peak of the island. This 60-foot structure dates back to 1852 and is normally surrounded by wild donkeys, hoping to get a treat from visitors. Once at the lighthouse, you can follow a cliff-hugging path that leads to a secluded beach. But if you're interested in seeing the town, you can take a stroll along Front Street, which is lined with enchanting colonial buildings. If you continue on this road, you'll end up in Cockburn Town, where the National Museum is located. Once there, you can check out pre-Columbian artifacts and other fascinating relics. To be honest, most folks find it tough to pull themselves away from the silken sands and turquoise water of this Caribbean paradise, and I really can't blame them. So if you think a trip to Turks and Caicos might be right for you, get in touch with your vacation specialist. They'll tell you more about what this vacation experience has to offer.